Hello everyone, welcome to this video lecture on graphics programming. In this session, I am going to explain what is graphics programming, an introduction to graphics class, and how to draw line and rectangle in Java. At the end of this session, you will be able to generate the various graphical symbols using the various methods of a graphics class. Graphics programming. One of the most important feature of Java language is its ability to draw graphics. We can write Java applets that draws lines, figures of different shapes, images and text. Not only text, normal text, text in different fonts and styles. We can also incorporate different colors in the display. You can set the background color of the output window, and even you can change the font colors of the text, the colors of the shapes, etc. Every applet has its own area of the screen. We call it as a canvas. The output window of an applet program, we call it as a canvas. So here is the below figure which illustrates the output window of an applet program, that we call it as a canvas. So Java coordinate system has an origin, that is 0 0 in the upper left corner, a positive x values to the right and the positive y values to the bottom, and the values of the coordinates x and y are the pixels. So here a point on this canvas is nothing but a pixel with the value x and y. Because we are representing the values of the coordinate system in terms of pixels, so these pixels value must be always an integer values. Okay. So next, graphics class. Graphic class provides a number of methods for drawing graphical symbols like circle, line, arc, rectangle, etc. We all know Java has a huge set of built-in classes and methods. So one such class is a graphic class with a varied number of methods for displaying various symbols like circles, line, arc, rectangle, etc. So we are most familiar with one such method, that is drawstring method, because we have already used this method to print a statement on the output window of an applet. So here S should be capital letter. Drawstring S should be capital letter. So this drawstring method is a method that belongs to a graphics class. Using this drawstring method, you are able to draw a string at a particular location, that is x comma y, in the applet window. Let us now discuss how to draw line and rectangle. Drawing line. Line is the simplest geometrical shape formed by connecting two points. Here is an example for lines. In the first example, have connected the point 3, 2 and 6, 2 to form a straight line. In the second example, have connected the point 2, 3 and 6, 6 to form another straight line, but in a different manner. So as we have discussed, the canvas of an applet window is a bit different from the normal coordinating system. Here the bottom line of the output window represents the positive y values, and the right side of the window represents the positive x value. Because of that, here if I draw a line between the points 3, 2 and 6, 2, here the point is nothing but the pixel value. So I have kept the y value constant and have changed the x value from 3 to 6 to form the first line. Okay. Similarly, to draw the second line, have connected the x point, that is x value 2, and the y value 3 point, that is this point, with another point whose x value is 6 and also the y value is also 6. By connecting these two, we form another straight line. This is how a line can be drawn manually. Similarly, if you want to draw a line in applet window, you can make use of the built-in method, that is draw line method, supported by the graphics class. The draw line method accepts 4 values as inputs. So these values are nothing but the values of the points along which the straight line has to be drawn. So draw line method draws a line between a pair of points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Once you learn how to draw a line, you can easily construct any shapes formed by a straight line. For example, you can easily draw a triangle by calling draw line method 3 times. Okay, so that is by drawing this line first, and then by drawing second line, that is this line, and then finally connecting these 2 line points will form a closed shape, that is triangle. Similarly, you can draw any shapes constituted by straight lines, but you have to be very careful while choosing the end points. Drawing rectangle. Rectangle is a geometrical shape formed by connecting 4 different points such that the length of the opposite sides of a rectangle are always equal. Okay, so here is an example where I have constructed a rectangle by connecting the points 2, 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 6 and 2, 6 such that the length of the opposite sides of this rectangle is equal. See, so if you calculate the difference between these 2 points, the length of this side will be 4, because 8 minus 2 is 4, 3, 3 is 0. So this length, this side differs by 4 points. Similarly, if you calculate the difference, 2, 6 and 8, 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So 8 minus 2 is 4. So it is 4, 0 again. So this sides are of length 4, and if you calculate the difference between these 2 points and these 2 points, it is going to be the same. The difference is going to be same. Hence the sides are of same length. Okay, so in such a way you should select the points for the rectangle. So it is very easy to draw a rectangle in Java, because we have a built-in method, that is draw rect method. This method accepts 4 values as a parameter. The first 2 values are nothing but the starting point of a rectangle, that is this point. Okay, suppose if you want to draw a rectangle of this type, so the first 2 points are nothing but the starting point of the rectangle, and the second 2 values are nothing but the width of the rectangle and the height of the rectangle in terms of pixels. Okay, so once the height and the width of the rectangle is specified, the Java compiler will automatically determine the values of the other points of the rectangle which are necessary to construct the rectangle. Okay, for example, if you want to draw this above shape, you have to pass for this draw rectangle method, draw rect method, you have to pass the values, that is 2, 6, that is starting point, and then the width. So the width is this and the height is this. So what is the width? It is 8 minus 2, it is 4. So the width is 4, and the height, that is 6 minus 3 is 3. So once you specify this, the draw rectangle method will automatically calculate the other points that are required for drawing this closed shape. Okay, this is how a draw rect method works in Java. Remember that the draw rect method draws only the outline of the rectangle. That means a rectangle of this form. Suppose if you want a rectangle of different types, then the graphic class supports different types of rectangular methods. You can call those methods to draw rectangle of different types. Let us see what are the different types of rectangle you can draw using the graphics class method. The first type of rectangle we have already seen, that is you can draw this outline of rectangle by calling draw rect method. And if you want a rectangle of this type, that is a solid rectangle, you have another method, that is fill rect method. So by calling that fill rect method, you can draw this solid rectangle. So the syntax of fill rect is this. So you will write fill, and here R is capital letter, fill rect, and 4 parameters that you have passed it to the normal draw rect method. Okay, and the next type of method that you can draw a rectangle is a rectangle of this shape, that is a round rectangle. So to draw a round rectangle, Java graphics class supports a method called draw round rect. Draw round rect. So by calling this method, you can generate a rectangle of this form. Similarly, to draw a rectangle of this shape, that is a solid round rectangle, you can call fill round rect method. Fill round rect method. So here round rect and fill round rect are similar to draw rect and fill rect, except that they take additional 2 extra parameters that we are going to discuss in the next slide. So these are the following methods that we use it for drawing rectangle of different shape. Fill rect method for generating a solid rectangle, and draw round rectangle for generating a rectangle with rounded corners. Okay. So here, as I told you, this round rect and fill round rect takes additional 2 parameters, that is these two values. These two values, they are nothing but the width and height of the angle of corners of a round rectangle. So see, if the rectangle, if a round rectangle needs to be drawn, means this corner has to be rounded off, right? So the width and the height of that corner will be taken as additional parameter by draw round rect and fill round rectangular methods. And this completes this session, that is how to draw a rectangle and how to draw a line in Java using graphics class methods. Thank you.